Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Nova 7i. Make sure it's charged above 50% and allow installs from your browser or file manager. Next, download the 3 core APKs you need: Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and Play Store, and keep them in one folder for ease. Once done, confirm developer options and USB debugging only if you plan to use a PC for transfer. This speeds installation and avoids repeated downloads. Keep storage free and ready. Move on when files are present. You now perform the critical install sequence. Start with Google Services Framework, then install Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store. This order resolves dependencies. As each installer runs, accept all permission prompts and allow background activity where requested, because services need those rights to register. Once an app installs, open it briefly to complete setup steps, then reboot the phone to let services register cleanly. Make sure to enable auto start or battery exclusion for Play services so Android won't throttle it. You finish by opening the Play Store, signing into your Google account, and allowing it to update Play services if prompted. This syncs your device and restores app access. If you see errors like app not installed or login failures, clear app data and cache for both Play Store and Play services, then reboot and try again. If problems persist, reinstall the 3 APKs in the same order and perform a safe restart. This fixes registration glitches. One tip: ensure network connectivity and correct date/time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.